He sending texts, ain't sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on lock. I say you know this shit is tight. Yeah.
Alrighty, good morning. We're about to rip out the blue light glasses, get this day started. Just finished a 1 mile morning walk and spending a little bit of time with God. We're a good 300-ish days into that routine, and it hasn't failed me yet. So we're gonna keep it rolling. 141 new subscriptions today. Full transparency, this is the calendar doc. Today is the 22nd, right? See that? So for next month, the 22nd, I've got over $6,000 worth of subscriptions. And that is why I love building supplement companies. But hey, let's go to the gym.
Niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, I love my cruddy to death. Hype Williams, Lil X, if he don't say it direct, could give a fuck. Yeah, yeah. I put some ice on her hand, I let her take in advance. Shit wasn't going as planned.
Back from the gym, it's currently 8 a.m. We're at 10K on the day. Building, we're pacing 11% lower than yesterday, but yesterday, honestly, finished week. It should normally get a little stronger, but yeah. So every year I go back to the Midwest, kind of near where I grew up, and we do a crazy fireworks show on the lake. And as I've been blessed with more and more and been able to do cooler stuff, we naturally spend a little bit more on fireworks. Now, my good buddy Benton has gone way overboard with like researching and planning all these shows. So we sequence this together, we manually fuse them all together. It takes us like 10 hours the day before. And this is the outline for this year's show. I am packing up, and then my driver will be here in about an hour, Mr. Freddie, and I'm going to the airport, back out of Puerto Rico again.
I just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the cold wild way it's going in.
Good morning from up here in the wilderness. The lake right now is literally glass. But doing a little bit of work. We just wrapped up the month. It's the 2nd of July now, so I always do some detailed reviews for the previous month, doing all the financial stuff with our financial team and CPAs. So wrapping everything up is a really good month. So excited for all the growth we have going on inside the business. That always keeps it more interesting. I'm gonna be hanging out, enjoying this for a while, but get a little bit of work done. If you don't track it, you can't improve it. Would you agree?
Obviously.
And so you must track it if you want to improve it. Notice the dates.
You better hope nobody hacks your card, because you'll never know. Every now and then you'll get somebody who uses the Facebook. You know, they'll take your card and they'll use it for ad spend. Has it happened to you? It's happened to me. You would never know if it was on this account.
So Benton is looking at my current Amex bill.
Yo, boy. Might need to start hustling.
This is like the last 3 weeks. Take a look at the dates on these. He's just counting fuses for the freaking fireworks show. You know, they say spending money is making money. How? I don't fucking get that one. Spending money is making money. No, making money is making. When am I gonna get to do that?
You just spent it. Oh wait, I spent it for you.
Whatever. I got my dad something he's always wanted, a little surprise gift for the 4th of July. Let's go fire this thing up. All right, we got the door going up. It is all set up and should be working. That's the plan. That is the plan. Let's go find out. We'll see if this thing works. I really want to fly.
I made a decision last night that I would die for it. Just to show the city what it takes to be alive for it. Can't get me on the line, so they hang me out to dry for it. You know 40 wants peace, but I'm down to cut ties for it. And I can't sleep these days.
Another day, another dollar. Trying to stay out of the sun. I got cooked. This thing's actually like ridiculously dangerous. Like, I'm all for buying jet skis and letting people use them and stuff, but I am not letting some random people or neighbors or kids take a ski and take this thing out. They will get hurt. All right, the rain has stopped. So, it's round 2. Benton, you ready?
Nervous.
Same way brands gotta break for it.
All right, it's time to explode some stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be sick. 6 hours into this. My back is jacked up, but we're so close. Just about everything is fused, wired, verified the connection. We are in a time crunch here. Boats are starting to accumulate. to watch. We are almost done.
I don't give a fuck if you love me. I don't give a fuck if you like me. Asking me how did it feel? Can't say it didn't surprise me. Next time I look to my right, you niggas was standing beside me. How can some people I love hang around pussies who try me? Let's go.
Third fusing issue. We've had to stop. Whole dock's on fire.
I can't get a light.
What did I miss? What did I miss? Let's go. Let's go. I'm whipping around on like 600 acres. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You niggas just better not ask for no.
The aftermath. There's one that didn't explode.
Say no to me now, but say yes to me later. Let's go. Pass. Already like Florida Gator.
Bye. All right, we just got into Nashville. We got Casey up over here. Where you at?
Woo!
First
Made
day,
it, boy.
first day of college in the dorm. What's
go.
up? All right, Kieran said he's got to put a nice watch on.
It's my new baby.
Asked if I wanted one. What do we got?
This is a platinum Daytona.
Always something. Skipping town, cause I really can't be around it. Sometimes I only win those right around it. Had some shit to say, I didn't like the way it sounded. So I left it where I found it. Yeah. Why stop now? Why stop now? No, not my style, not my style. Yeah. Drop top down, that's my style. Why stop now, baby? Why stop now? PCH driving, I needed some inspiring. Peace and quiet, I'm running from the sirens. They ain't been around, but they know about where I've been. I don't put the time in. Timing, got that in common, we all feel the pressure. Bitch, I'm plugged in, yeah, the vibe is electric. A room full of comments, they all trying to
One chill, drink, smoke, fuck.